Okay, Craftsman power washer, stored in the basement of the house all winter. Pulled it out yesterday, would not start. I tried little starter fluid, it would just pop off and run just for a second. Put a little gas in, just run for a couple seconds and then stop. Looked online and several people said if you have any ethanol fuel in your fuel for small engines, you shouldn't do that. You should run no alcohol. And so I ended up checking a few things, but that all looked okay. So this morning I tore the carburetor all apart, cleaned it all out, went through everything. Didn't see anything. It only run once last fall. That's it. Ran 3 times for it in one day. And so that's the only time it's ever run. So everything is basically immaculate. It's brand new inside. The carburetor didn't have any dirt or dust or anything in it. And there was no gunk, no pieces of anything in the fuel, or I should say in the carburetor. That being said, the fuel that I have been running does have alcohol in it, the 10%, the regular fuel, and I haven't had any problems. Same motor in my mower, no problems. The same fuel in the snowblower, no problems. Same fuel in the chipper vac, in the blower, in the weed whipper, and no issues. But this motor would not start. Took carburetor all apart this morning, put it all back together. I just put fuel in it, and we will try and start it here. So even though I didn't see anything in the carburetor, not one piece of anything, not any gunk or anything, now that I say that, there were little spots of white stuff. There were about 25 very distinct white little spots inside the bowl where the float is. But other than that, like I said, any of the ports, the main jet didn't have anything in it. It wasn't plugged. But somewhere in cleaning all that out with carb cleaner and blowing it all out with compressed air, it cleared something. So starts great and seems to run okay. So thanks for watching.